What is guys? What's going guys? Thanks clicking on back on this video. Today's video gonna be 1 month review on the iPhone 14 Pro Max that I got about 1 month ago. I originally had a 13 mini fitting into this. So first thing, like straight out of the bat, you can tell the difference will be the size, the screen size. The 13 mini is really small, but like they say, once you go big, you don't go back. Like that's truth, because when I'm holding actually just a regular Pro model, not the Max model, in my hand, it actually feels quite small now. So I cannot imagine I had a 13 mini, which is even smaller than the Pro. Basically, I'm sales for Best Buy I'm currently working at. So I do have to go to my phone all the time, like constantly. I don't go into inventory or do some research on a question they have or a question I don't know of. And yeah, that's basically the big screen helped me a lot. Actually, I spend a lot of my time on the phone during my entertainment, so having a larger phone that's better for my eyes and also view, you know, it's just a little bit better for the bigger screen. And next gonna be followed by the battery. Since it is a bigger phone, the battery gonna be a lot bigger. It's a lot longer than 13 mini. 13 mini, I have to use this. This particular one here is from Apple. Quite expensive, but in my opinion, if you like the aesthetics and like Apple, then go for Apple. But they do have alternative, better ones. For 13 mini, I have to use this. If I don't use this, pretty much I don't have 0% battery. My phone just gonna shut down if I still have my 13 mini. So I have to use this. By the time I finish work, usually this is drained. My phone usually have around like 50, I think I forgot already, around 50% battery, or maybe 40 something. But with just this phone, the new 14 Pro, I haven't used this as much, like barely. I can not use this and leave work with maybe around 60% end of the day. If I put this one on, it's always gonna be around like 80, 90, and this pretty much drained for that. So I do get a lot of charge to my 13 mini than here, maybe over here, maybe about 20 to 30%, and this is completely drained. Feature, it's gonna be actually the dynamic island. I'm not going too detail about it. Probably guys know because this came out so long already. What's quick thing is usually when I change music, I just swipe down to change the music and click to the menu here. But I can just actually tap here. Like let's say I play music here. As it go down. Sorry about it, it's gonna copyright it. But yeah, so I go in here and change the music, and you can see that. I click here, then I can change music like that. So I'll have to cut that out before I get copyrighted. But yeah, so I can change it right over here really fast. When airdrop, you can see it's been airdropping the loading time on the top. More stuff like timers will be on the corner, you just tap and instantly go to it faster than swiping up and go to this way. Besides that, the camera is great. I'm gonna insert another video in real life instead of just in the studio here. What's gonna be the quality, so I'm gonna insert this now. What's up guys? So we're doing another photo shoot here on our usual favorite spot on the views form here. But yeah, I'm just gonna start taking some photos already with the new camera. Still rocking a steam lens right here, 1635 G Master. There you go. Now we're using the good camera, good lens on the camera right now. As you can see, is I mean it's pretty good. Let me just take a shot here. Will you guys take a shot? Pretty good. Damn, I love the new sound of the camera. It's so good. Not really overexposing. can do this with one hand. I hope you can tell by the quality, like even though it was really dark, but the HDR is just really nice and the sensor is about bigger, so it's better for low light. I'm really great happy about this phone. So all in all, it's a really great phone that benefit me by upgrading this for my lifestyle, which is my work mostly. But I do miss the 13 mini. Like it's such a pocket, like it's so small. Like it's so small, but it can do all the things that this can do. If you do looking for an upgrade into 14, I do recommend the Pro Max, considering the battery life and the screen size. You just have to determine if that's gonna be beneficial for your needs or every day. Since you guys stay all the way to the end, I'm gonna give you some my personal favorite setting that I think you guys should change once you get the phone, or it's available in that generation of phone you have. So without further ado, so thanks for watching all the way here. This is the bonus you guys gonna get. To display, I like to change the dark mode. I don't like light. I mean, it's classic Apple color white, but I do like the darker reasons that the reason is all my stuff is pretty much black and white. Like the phone here is midnight black. Also, it saves battery, so all the white pixel is not actually on, it's actually off. So I do save the battery. You know, I mean not that much, but battery. You see your percentage battery. You can toggle in, toggle that. I like to toggle that on so you can see how much battery I always have. So keyboard, you want a feedback, you want to have that so you can get the feedback when you press type, so you know you typed it. So yeah, so thanks so much for watching. But if you have any question, let me know down in the comments. If you have any question about the accessory here, I can answer that for you. Yeah, it's really nice. Alright, have a good one guys. See you soon.